So we're under a 1925 Spanish here in South Pasadena, and what we have is this whole cripple wall and foundation is rotating in this direction. So basically the foundation's going this way and the cripple wall is going this way. So some foundation specialist came in and decided that this would be an appropriate repair to support a house that's basically settling significantly. So then we can look into this corner right here. If you just follow my flashlight, we've got a very large fracture in the foundation, along with other fractures in the foundation along here. Then we'll notice our expansive soil is fracturing all the way along here. So this is what's contributing to this existing failure.